Hi, my name is Tarun and I am working as an engineering manager in Cavista Technologies. I have had the privilege of being part of Cavista Technologies for the past 2 years. So at Cavista, we foster a culture that champions innovation, inclusivity, and diverse perspectives. Our exposure to global markets and evolving industry trends has been instrumental in sharpening our competitive edge and driving continuous improvement. What truly sets Cavista apart is unwavering commitment to collaboration and team empowerment. Every individual is grounded in mutual respect and creative synergy. This inclusive environment not only enhances the quality of our solutions but also supports the professional growth of every team member. So, being part of such a dynamic and forward thinking organization is a source of great pride. Cavista Technologies continues to inspire excellence through its people first approach and global vision.